Hey guys, welcome to the second chapter of Module 2, Trend Identification. Okay, imagine a chart where it starts here, it goes up, it makes a high, then it comes down again, but the point it makes this time is higher than the previous point, the previous low. Then it again goes up and it makes a high which is higher than the previous high, and then again it goes down, but the low point which it makes is higher than the previous low. So when there is higher highs and higher lows, it's an uptrend. Now suppose it touches a point, it comes down, and then again it goes up, but the previous high and this high are the same, and the lows are also the same, and it goes for a while. This is a sideways trend. Similarly, when it reaches a high and then it makes a new low, and then the next high which it makes is lower than the previous high, and the lows which it makes now are lower than the previous lows, then it's a downward trend. So trends can be of three types: uptrend, which will make higher highs and higher lows; downtrend, which would make lower highs and lower lows; and sideways, which would make equal highs and equal lows. If you don't understand this, it's fine. Do not really worry about it. Just think that if a chart is going diagonally up on the right hand side, then it's an uptrend. If it's going diagonally down on the right hand side, then it's a downtrend. If it's moving straight, then it's a sideways trend. I'll show you examples. This is the chart of Reliance. You can see this is a clear uptrend. It starts somewhere around 900 and it has reached till 2000. So this is clear uptrend. This is a chart of SpiceJet. You can see a clear downtrend here. If you see, the price started around 148 and now it's not even 70s. This is a chart of Axis Bank, and you can see clear sideways here. It is making approximately equal highs, that is around 760, and equal lows, that is around 710. I hope you are able to identify trends after this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.